This is Spencer, your Tampa Bay wallpaper installer. Welcome to Clearwater Beach, Florida. I installed a beautiful luxury vinyl. Unfortunately, you can't appreciate the true beauty of it until you look really closely. This was a difficult installation for all of the radiuses around which I had to cut. So nothing was 90 degrees, and so there was a lot of work in cutting, but it came out beautiful nonetheless. You can reach me at www.spencercolgan.com or at 813-666-7002. Again, this is Spencer Colgan, your Tampa Bay wallpaper installer, coming to you from Clearwater Beach. Do me a favor, make a comment on the video, click on like, and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.